What if the Clarity Act fails? Now, the March 1st deadline is days away, the Senate is in a stalemate over stablecoin yields, and unemployment is ticking towards 5%. Now, the crowd sees a doom loop, but a refined investor like you sees the ultimate stress test. And here's why the failure of Washington is actually the strongest long-term signal for crypto. Let's look at the macro reality fact. The US economy is slowing, there's no question. We've seen private job gains bottom out, and the Fed is caught between sticky inflation and a cooling labor market. Historically, when the traditional system stalls, capital seeks alternative stores of value. If the Clarity Act scuttles, it doesn't kill crypto, it simply keeps it in a parallel system where it has outperformed every major asset class for a decade. Now, don't confuse a lack of legislation with a lack of adoption. Even without the act, BlackRock's BUIDL has already crossed the 1 billion in assets under management, and the European MiCA framework is fully operational. We are seeing a structural bifurcation. While the US bickers and all the stuff is happening, global liquidity is moving to compliant hubs in the EU and Asia. It's a simple fact. Bitcoin's realized price is holding firm at about $59,000, and because institutions aren't waiting for a bill, they're building on the math. They're on the math and the certainty of what's to come. So the long-term alpha play is this, guys. When unemployment expands and growth dips, the Fed inevitably returns to the only tool that they actually have in their arsenal, and that is liquidity. Debasing the currency to save the economy is a mathematical certainty. In that scenario, Bitcoin isn't a risk asset, it's an insurance policy. We are investing in a legislative win. That's not happening. We are investing in the inevitable scarcity of the hardest money on earth. So let's bet on the math and not on the politicians. Remember, that's been the case for 17 years now. The system may be stuck, but the ledger absolutely never lies. I want you to stay refined, always do your own homework, understand what you're getting involved in. Do what's best for you and your family. Remember, think generationally when you make decisions. Whatever that decision is, no one has the right to tell you what's best for you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you have a great day.